You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. Don't forget, if it's the first time watching, hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification. And people, yes, if you like this video, hit the like button. Do it, no man. So today, we want to talk about a number of topics. But first, we are going to take a look at Popcaan new song entitled Goals, produced by Vybz Kartel Music, and it go something like this.
And go as usual. Me diamond them unusual. Them a use girl try set me up. Them no know say me used to girl. Can't see the devil come me slew the man.
So people, we all know when Popcaan got them settings here, them always shot, them singing slow, melodic type of song here. Them always nice, them have a nice vibes, and plus the song is talking about something good, goals. Not for only youth, only need to set some goals, you know what I mean? A goal is not 1,000, or I should say 10,000 followers on IG. What kind of goal that now go nowhere? Goals are house and car, business and all these things. Are them the way I talk about, you know? Upliftment and all.
Rosa, the thing never pie. House and land we a bye. Meanwhile, enemies a try catch we in a drive by. Y'all a pick me up like Wi-Fi. See you when them a pray for me die. Bank book going up high. You know say I am a Judah dog, king ruler dog.
Yes, people. So that was Popcaan. Goals, house and land. He ma bye. That he ma say. So people, wanna tell me in the comment section wanna think about that one day. And like how we depend on rhythm here. Dexter Daps have a rhythm of a song on the rhythm here called no underwear. We must say, she not wear no underwear. I'm sure you're familiar with that song there. Well, Chosen did it again. The man remixed this song.
Big up yourself, Dexter. This is no disrespect, but we have to catch them ears with substance. May have 6 sisters, so me take real personal. Awareness. R.I.P. Shantae. Stop crying. One of my real life niece them pop up and link me. She said she not gonna school, she afraid. Trust me, the reality hit me. Me never feel like speak, but me have to think quickly. Put on your bag, make we pray. Jesus, make your guide her today. It's really scary out there. Really scary out there. Demons roaming everywhere. Demons roaming everywhere. Come make we fast and pray. Emergency right away. Abba Father, guide today. No more.
So Chosen, I know the topic is good. It's a good topic, but I'm not sure about the rhythm and flow. Because as a gospel artist, me feel like say you need to know how to bring across your message in another way still. But that's just my point. Nah, bash the artists are not like that. So people, wanna tell me what wanna think in the comment section. Him do it the last time with Tuffy Magnum Ball. Alright, so moving on. Shenseea. Shenseea have a word or few to say about her stalkers them. So apparently over a couple months now, or she said it a go on a long time, people are stalk her house and not just houses. I mean, everywhere where she sleep, people are stalk her and try to jump the fence and all these things. So she took it to Instagram and had this to say. Bro, I have various places where I stay. If you know any of them, do not effing come to my personal homes asking for pictures, calling out my name, bleaching at my gate for hours, throwing notes, flowers through my gate. I love my supporters. I love my personal space as well. And she didn't stop there. This has been going on for far too long. What y'all wanna do? Force me to live overseas? You will be disrespected if anybody does any of this again. Y'all are invading my privacy. I've been trying to hold this in, but it is getting far too worse. Every one of my homes is the same damn thing all the time. I know the love is real, but there are boundaries. stop. And shit still never stop there. And to any one of my neighbors in my apartment or house, stop influencing y'all friends and families. Like, it's okay if I'm that cool. Yes, I'm cool, but I can be cold too. Don't send nobody come rotted call me out of my place. I ask for nothing. And then she go. Even when I got security or in a gated community, y'all still be bleaching outside. This shit is crazy. So people, please, give her space. When you see her on the road in the public space, buy Burger King or KFC or whatever the case may be, you can ask her for a pic, you can ask her for a snap, a shout out, something, me no know. But when she there yard, low the young lady, make she sleep in peace. So moving on. So people, the other day I go one party. The party is called Beach Rave, and I might add the party did shot. Girl did it like sun. A beach party still, Sand Palm Beach. Anyway. The party was held in Portland, and people wanna know say a few weeks ago a by-election keep over Portland, and Portland did hot with the politics thing and all. But me have to share a very interesting clip with you know. The selector by the name of Bigger Five begin to play a politics song in the party, and to my surprise it shot. So wanna pre them few clip here. So people, the point we want to make is both PMP and Labour Right did in at the party, and the whole of them are party together, no violence. And when a man can play a song like a PMP song in a party, or a JLP song in a party, and no stone, no fling, no buckle, no broke, nobody no get hurt, yo, it's really a good thing. And more other people like other parishes to pray this and know say yo, we are one, so there's no reason for we if you fight politics war and all these things still. So people, wanna tell me what wanna think about all these topics we talk about today. Tell me what wanna think about Popcorn Song Gold and the rest of topic them, everything. Tell me in the comment section. And if you are watching on YouTube, don't forget to hit subscribe button and turn on post notification. And remember to share with your friend. If you are watching on Facebook, do the same. Follow the page. And people, you can go follow the thing at I am DJ Chaddy on Instagram at this. So if you want to link me on any business venture or anything at all, just link me right there. So people, you don't know the thing, I'm out.
Young rich boy up on the game. Bad man, yeah, but a bunch that.
Get